John Wood reporting, Lewis County, Missouri, May the 20th, 2026. These guys have just moved into this hillside. They're checking out the first meal of the day in this paddock over my right shoulders where they were the last 24 hours. And this is the last meal before the day, and you see that pretty much every one of them's got their head down. They're looking for a sweet spot. But this is making grass-fed beef the way it's supposed to be made. These are super healthy cattle. They're having a picnic in here tonight. You see how content they are. They're moving through this. They're sourcing the most highly nutritious plants they can find. The first pasture, they're taking the tops out of plants. They're finding they have a nutritional ability, which is pretty amazing. So appreciate the consideration. Over and out, Lewis County, Missouri. John Wood reporting. Thank you.